उर्दू किड से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने YouTube ऐप पे बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करना ना भूलें। उर्दू में कुछ आम अल्फाज। अस्सलामु अलैकुम दोस्तों। Urdu is a very beautiful language. If you are looking to learn some common sentences in Urdu, then you have come to the right place. So, let's begin. I will divide the board into an English and an Urdu section for clear understanding. Here's your English and here's your Urdu. What do you say for hello? Assalamu alaikum. The literal meaning of this sentence is peace be upon you. This word is actually Arabic, but all Urdu speakers greet in this way. It is often shortened to salam. Assalamu alaikum. Now, what do you reply for salam? Hello to you too. We say wa alaikum assalam. And this means peace be upon you too. Wa alaikum assalam. Another way to greet or say hello is adab. It literally means regards. This is a very formal secular greeting. Adab. What do you say for yes? Ha. This is a casual yes. Yes is also said as G. G is a formal way of saying yes. Another translation of yes is Ji haan. This is a confident, formal way of saying yes. Ji haan. No. No is said as nahi. This is an informal way of saying no. Nahi. No is also said as ji nahi. This is a formal way of saying no. Please. Please is said as aapki meherbani or badi meherbani. It literally means your kindness. These words can also be used when you want to say thank you. Thank you. Now, the most common term for thank you in Urdu is shukriya. It is derived from an Arabic word shukran. Shukriya. Please come in. We say tashreef laiye. It translates to please bring your honor. An informal way of saying this would be andar aiye. So, tashrif laiye is a formal way of saying please come in, and andar aiye is an informal way of asking someone to come inside. Please have a seat. In Urdu we say tashrif rakhiye. This literally translates to please place your honor. But an informal way of saying this is baithiye. Please have a seat. Tashreef rakhiye. And or baithiye. What do you say for I am happy to meet you? Aapse milkar khushi hui. Well, खुशी means happiness. So, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. What do you say for do you speak English? In Urdu we say क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? What do you say for I do not speak Urdu? मैं उर्दू नहीं बोलती और बोलता. बोलता is for masculine speaker. बोलती is for feminine. Since I'm a lady, I would say मैं उर्दू नहीं बोलती. What do you say for My name is Azra? मेरा नाम अज़रा है. You can just replace your own name instead of Azra. मेरा नाम अज़रा है. What do you say for Which way to Karachi? We say कराची किस तरफ है और कराची किस ओर है. What do you say for Where is Hyderabad? हैदराबाद कहाँ है? Finally, what do you say for goodbye? We say Khuda Hafiz or Allah Hafiz. It means may God be your guardian. Khuda is derived from Persian for God, Allah from Arabic for God. So, Khuda Hafiz. These are some basic sentences which will help you to communicate with an Urdu speaking person. I hope you really liked this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye. मुझे उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया. अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. अल्लाह हाफिज. अस्सलामु अलैकुम बच्चों, मेरा नाम है चूचू. आज मैं आई हूँ आपको सिखाने के लिए उर्दू के हरूफ. उम्मीद है आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा. चलो शुरू करते हैं. अलीफ. अलीफ मद आ. बे. पे. टे. टे. से. जीम. चे. हे. खे. दाल. दाल. जाल. रे. अड़े. जे. जे. सीन. शीन. स्वाद. स्वाद. तोय. जोय. ऐन. गैन. फे. قاف. काफ. गाफ. लाम. मीम. नून. वाव. छोटी है. दो चश्मी है. हमजा. छोटी ये. बड़ी ये. तो बच्चों, ये थे उर्दू में हरूफ. आप इसको अच्छे से सीखें और अच्छे से रहिए। हम अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे। तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज।